the zippered pouch. There's a zippered pouch on the outside of this bag. I've got one here next to me. The importance of this zippered pouch is that from here, it's a very easy place to hold your cell phone, store your money, your heart rate strap. Everything is very compact, very functional for your lifestyle. Also, it's a great place to keep your strap when you're training. Before you train, you take your strap off the bag, very easy. You can put this strap to the side, or you can put it right inside the pocket. Store it there, and you're good to go. I want to get back to the strap. I love the strap because number one, it's a tool for stretching. You can attach your strap onto your hand. Stretch assistance tool. Oh, that feels good on my shoulders. You know, if you lift a lot of weight, sometimes you might not have the flexibility to pull deep into that stretch, but this strap allows you to do that from many angles. It's a great stretching tool, but not only that, it converts your bag into a duffel bag just by attaching at the corners. Boom, you got yourself a T3 Power Ready duffel bag.